Okay, Sean, this is your motor. This is the unit that I'm using to clean your engine. It's a KEW from Germany. It took about 8 months to get this thing fixed. Finally got it up and running. And here's what your cases look like with no chemical treatment whatsoever. They're just as shiny as can be. And steam to the hilt. These things are clean inside and out. Let me get this on the sunlight so you can get a look at it. There she is, spotlessly clean. And now I can take it from here. There's the other side, and did the crankshaft, ran it through the journals, so the inside of that